lighting ticked off, next stop is Carpet Court. Also heading back to Carpet Court is Sara, who is still on the phone to that very patient wallpaper lady.
You just call up my name.
Can I put you on FaceTime?
Yeah.
I'm going to take you into Carpet Court as well.
You can see the carpet.
I can see the carpet, exactly.
And so her new friend, who was a complete stranger a couple of hours ago, is now helping her with guest bedroom design.
You got a friend.
Yeah.
And that's the bed head.
Does it have a speck of light grey in there as well?
Yes.
The carpet does, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, great. That's workable, I think. Like, that's good.
And it seems Sara's blossoming friendship has caught the eye of fellow blockhead Jess.
So Sara was picking out her carpet, but she was FaceTiming someone.
And then the silver metallic coming through will match your bed head.
The lady was helping her pick out her carpets, and she was sort of FaceTiming her, and she said, you'll put some blue cushions in there and some blue and some white.
I'll send you 2 pictures of the actual paper so you can see the metallics in it.
And I was like, you beauty. I didn't know we could do that.
Sara, who's that you're talking to?
That was just wallpaper.
Turns out we can't.
Yep, that's right. Rule number 1 in the Block Bible, no help from any outside designer.
Were you on the phone to your wallpaper lady at Carpet Court? I thought you were on the phone to your wallpaper lady at Carpet Court on FaceTime.
Maybe it was Hayden. I was just confirming that the colour of the cabinetry will work with the carpet that we've chosen.
I just want us all to have an even playing field. That's all.
Yeah, no, I don't think it was, oh, maybe it was my wallpaper lady. I don't know.
We'll keep an eye on it. Don't worry. We'll make it fair. We'll work it out. Leave it to us. We're the fair police.